The history of Kyrgyzstan is inextricably linked with the names of people who have left a deep mark in the memory of the people with their work, talents, and exploits. There are three legendary women: Surakan Kaynazarova, Kulipa Konduchalova, and Toktogon Altubasarova. Each of them is an example of incredible strength of spirit, dedication, and love for the motherland. We will also touch on the topic of Kyrgyz jarаны, a concept that unites all citizens of Kyrgyzstan. Surakan Kaynazarova is a symbol of hard work. Surakan Kaynazarova was born on June 3rd in 1902 in the village of Jilamish, Chuy region. At the beginning of the 20th century, the life of peasants was incredibly difficult. Lack of technology, manual labor, and low level of education. These conditions strengthened her character. Surakan was a person who believed in hard work, discipline, and teamwork. Her name became known thanks to agriculture, which in Soviet times was the basis of the economy. A life-changing record. After the war in 1947, the unit under her leadership at the Druzhba collective farm achieved a fantastic result. The sugar beet harvest amounted to 971.5 hundredweight per hectare. This achievement made her name famous throughout the Soviet Union. She became an example for many. Her experience was studied at conferences, and the title of twice Hero of Socialist Labor became the highest assessment of her work. Public recognition. Surakan Kaynazarova often participated in YDNH exhibitions and delegate congresses, where she talked about her working methods. She was considered not only a hardworking, but also a wise woman who knew how to inspire others. Memory. A bust of her has been installed in Bishkek, reminding of her contribution to the development of agriculture. Streets in several cities of Kyrgyzstan bear her name.
Kulipa Konduchalova, the Iron Lady of Kyrgyz culture and diplomacy. Kulipa Konduchalova was born on June 15, 1920, in the village of Karachgach. From childhood, Kulipa showed organizational skills, actively participating in public life. Her natural charisma, energy, and courage helped her take a leading position. Kulipa Konduchalova went down in history as the first woman to head the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of the Kyrgyz SSR in 1953. In this position, she actively represented the Republic abroad, established contacts with other countries, and participated in international forums. Her work strengthened Kyrgyzstan's authority on the world stage, as well as contributed to the development of cooperation in the economy and culture. Since 1958, Konduchalova became the head of the Ministry of Culture, where she made great efforts to develop national art. Museums, theaters, and cultural centers were opened all over the country. National festivals began to be held, which attracted the attention of both tourists and locals. In 2010, Konduchalova was awarded the title of Hero of the Kyrgyz Republic for her contribution to the development of culture. A street in Bishkek is named after her, and her name embodies hard work, leadership, and dedication to her work. Toktogon Altubasarova is a mother who saved 150 children of besieged Leningrad. Toktogon Altubasarova was born in 1924 in the village of Kurmanty. From a young age, Toktogon showed organizational skills. At the age of 16, she was appointed chairman of the village council. The most striking episode of her life is connected with 1942, when she received 150 children evacuated from besieged Leningrad. They were often emaciated children who had survived the horrors of war. Toktogon, despite the difficult conditions, organized their accommodation, food, and upbringing. She became a foster mother to them, giving them not only shelter, but also love. This act has become a symbol of true heroism. Her name has gone down in history as an example of human mercy and fortitude.
The lives of Surakan Kaynazarova, Kulipa Konduchalova, and Toktogon Altubasarova show that fortitude, perseverance, and love for people can change the life of an entire country. They have become symbols of their era and inspiration for future generations. And the concept of Kyrgyz jarаны reminds us that only in unity, mutual assistance, and respect is the true strength of the people born.